I'm Jenna, and welcome to Shamu Stadium.
I got to actually work with manatees, and I got to be part of a couple releases and work to rescue them and take those calls, and that was what I always wanted to do. What I really took away from that experience and what I really learned is how much work was still needed because of how few people even knew about what was going on.
Hey guys, Jenna here, just out here training for the 14th annual Save the Manatee race.
Hey everyone, welcome to my blog, The Conservation Connection with Jenna. That's me. Right now, California is experiencing one of the most severe droughts that we've had in decades. And that got me thinking. That's me thinking. The average Californian uses 196 gallons of water every single day. That's a lot of water. So what can we do to help that problem?
Yes, one special magical person. Her name is Jenna. Jenna, where are you, Jenna?
I'm right here.
Jenna?
Here I am.
Jenna, where are anybody seen Jenna?
I am right here.
Have you seen Jenna?
I am Jenna. Hi.
Jenna, you're about to show us. A lot of people don't even know that reindeer are real.
Well, they're very real. And would you like to see them yourself?
I would, and so would Wild Bill, because he spends his whole days out in the wild, and you never know what's going to happen to him. So when he comes across real creatures,
Yes.
yeah, he's very happy.
Okay, well, we're gonna see some real live reindeer in the flesh. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Here we go. Come on, let's follow Jenna. She's part of the SeaWorld magic here, and these are Santa's reindeers.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenna with the Save the Manatee Club. This year, it's time to celebrate Earth Day the Manatee way. So here's 3 different ways for you to get involved. Head to savethemanatee.org to symbolically adopt your favorite manatee today. You can choose from over 30 different manatees, like my personal favorite, Aqua, who has been found hanging out at Blue Springs State Park with her calf Astro this season.
You know, killer whales are so inspiring. In fact, the more we learn about them, the more we see they represent more than just themselves. Truly, to better understand the killer whale is to better understand our ocean. So never stop wondering about the natural world around us.
So many other animals have such an important story and such a message, and I think that we all know that, being professionals in this field, but really the goal is to get that story out there and share that with so many people, because that's how you make that connection. Of course, if you're not aware, then you don't care, and if you don't care, you can't make a difference, right, Ruby?